Alright, sir. So let's talk about things that are quintessential or most important for your preparation. We don't have to tell you this. Discipline. Everything needs discipline. What we have seen is students who can study till the last day, who can take the preparation to the last day, more often than not, they do get selected. So discipline is extremely important. We have talked about this hundreds of times. Follow a schedule. Follow a schedule, as Goga sir said, when you have that pressure that I have to appear for this pharma exam 3 days from today, you would prepare accordingly. You would ensure that you would cover the subject by the time Goga sir comes and takes the test. Concept building, 100% important. Similarly, some part of your paper would always be factual. There would be certain numbers, there would be certain figures, there would be certain things that you have to memorize. You have to memorize them. Practice of MCQs, as we said, knowledge is one thing. Applying that knowledge to solve the MCQs is another thing. Very important. Hold on PYQs and PYTs. Goga sir, here I want to ask you this. What percentage of question do you think comes from PYQs and especially from PYTs in your last 20 years of experience?
So earlier they used to be around 80%, but even now they are usually 60-65%. So usually 60% plus, even in the papers when the students say PYQ to INI, even then there is 60%. So remember, the 40% is a big chunk when you say that they are not in PYQs. Even 20%, if you say 20% question कहीं दूर से आ जाते हैं, अलग से आ जाते हैं, तो लोगों को लगता है पता नहीं क्या ही आ गया, ठीक है? But they do not focus on the 80 or 70% which are being asked from the PYT.
So PYQs and PYTs will always make a big chunk. Interesting thing is, some of the questions that appear new to you, they're actually very old PYQs. That is why when we do the late night PYQ marathons in Cerebellum, which is a daily test, we try to include the questions that were asked 8-9 years back also. Because new MCQs are often nothing but old PYQs.